Hi everyone, I hope everything's good. We are here today for the player analysis of 10 Cope Miners. So let's start now. The Eredivisie has given birth to a new superstar who is taking the football world by storm. Even football giants such as Inter Milan are more than eager to rope him in, as his addition will strengthen the midfield of any team he joins. Teun Koopmeiners is becoming one of the best midfielders in Europe. His talent on both offense and defense is starting to be recognized by every team in Europe. The 23-year-old Dutchman made his senior team debut in 2017 against Feyenoord and has become the backbone of his boyhood club AZ Alkmaar. He joined the AZ Alkmaar youth back in 2013. Gradually, he was promoted to a higher level of the club and he became captain of the senior team in 2020. The youngster was made captain because he embodies the club's culture. Being a part of the youth academy for years has helped him become well aware of the club's demands, and his leadership skills make him stand head and shoulder above others. As of March 4, Koopmeiners has bagged 13 goals in the 2020-21 season so far, and is the joint third highest goalscorer with Danilo and Steven Bergwijn. The young club captain has continued his supreme form from the last season, where he netted 16 goals across all competitions in 42 appearances. Apart from his emphatic goal-scoring abilities as a midfielder, Koopmeiners helped AZ Alkmaar finish second in the Eredivisie, just behind champions Ajax on goal difference. Now we will dig deeper on his attacking abilities. He has assisted on 4 important goals this season so far, and his contribution to AZ Alkmaar's frontman is turning out to be a game changer for the club. When it comes to Koopmeiners' stats across all competitions, his subliminal form is consistent there too. Courtesy of his 13 goals in the 24 Eredivisie games in the ongoing season, Teun Koopmeiners averages 0.51 goals per game. Most of his goals are made with his strong left foot, but he is versatile enough to also be a threat with both his head and his right foot. Something incredible this season is his amazing shooting accuracy. If he can keep up this solid 51.6% accuracy throughout his career, he can become one of the most dominant defensive midfielders while also being a constant offensive threat. 54 of the 62 shots were left-footed strikes, 4 were headers while the remaining 4 were right-foot shots. Koopmeiners has a decent professional record when it comes to direct free kicks and penalty with 70% of his shots on target. He could be classified as a modern-day midfielder who is successful at making progressive plays without risking the possession. This N'Golo Kante style of play is ideal in day and age in which teams value possession and control over the ball. He has a simple plan of taking the ball up the field with short and frequent passes until the ball is cleared up front for any man on either wing. He averages 63 passes in a game with a sublime accuracy of almost 87%. His long crosses are hard, but the quality is very good. He likes to use them as a last resort when he doesn't find an immediate solution. Koopmeiners has completed only 0.27 deep crosses on average. He is amazing at pushing the ball forward. He only has around 10 progressive passes a game, but he has almost 350 meters progression per game. it has become clear that Koopmeiners is not afraid to give long passes. Throughout this season, he is attempting 15 a game, while completing over 8 of them. This amount of completions puts him in the top 20% of midfielders. His daring mentality combined with his strong passing ability makes him one of the best counter-pressing midfielders in the Eredivisie. He is also one of the most accurate passers when countering. Those key passes are not necessarily always assists, as he only has 4 for this season, but they are so important to the overall success of the team. There are a lot of very good defensive teams in the world, but few have a talented midfielder like Koopmeiners, who can transfer great defense into sharp offense. What more do you demand from a club captain who comes out playing hard in every match for his club? Then Koopmeiners' gameplay has shown that he doesn't heavily rely on dribbling the ball across opposition players with fancy tricks. This is proven by the fact that he only has a 1.3 dribble count per game. The young gun has 4.9 offensive duels in every 90 minutes, at a success rate of almost 63%. The versatility of Koopmeiner makes him a huge asset for AZ Alkmaar manager Pascal Jansen. He could be played as either defensive midfielder or central midfielder. His agility and ability to recover the ball for his team and initiate a counter-attack within seconds strengthens his resume as a centre back as well. He has almost 1 interception a game, but this could be higher if he has played more in the centre back role. Something special about Turn is the fact that he is always one of the guys to be the quickest on the ball. He is always roaming around the ball, and when one of his teammates forces a mistake, he is the first one to steal or secure the ball for the counter-attack. His average of 6.5 defensive duels in a game with a 68% win rate makes him a force to be reckoned with. Another aspect of his defensive game is his tackling. With more than 2 tackles a game, he is locking down the middle of the field, which neutralizes a lot of the opposing attacking midfielders. Despite these impactful statistics, his most impressive statistic is his amount of clearances. With more than 4 clearances a game, he is in the best 1% in the world. This shows once again how well he can transfer from offense to defense. These statistics explain why the top European clubs like Inter Milan, AS Roma and Napoli are after the 20-year-old prodigy. Since his introduction to the pros, Turn has been improving every year, and he still doesn't seem done progressing. His actual transfer value right now is only 15 million, but this should be millions higher. Koopmeiners is a game-changing player and poised to prove himself in Europe's top 5 leagues. Some of the most interested teams are Everton and Napoli, but AZ and Koopmeiners' agents are already playing hardball by stating that they want at least 20-30 million for the talented defensive midfielder. Are you impressed with his performance at such a young age? Let us know in the comment section what you think about him. That's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If this is the case, don't forget to share it to Andrew and to subscribe. If you want to discuss deeper about Koopmeiners, you can let it on the comment section. I wish you good luck, and until next time, take care.